she be? Where can she be? Before I get everything wet around here, where could she be? Oh, come here, Amber. Oh, I don't see her. Hey, water boy, what are you doing over here? My name is Wade. I'm not water boy. I'm looking for a fire girl. A fire girl, you say? Yeah, she's my girlfriend. No, you mean you know, like a friend, and she's a girl and she's fire. Oh, are you okay, dude? Oh, yes, I am okay. I'm looking for Amber. Can you find her? Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what you're looking for, but if I see a fire or a girl or Amber, I will let you know, okay? I gotta go. Oh, Amber, fire. Oh, goodness. Wait, it's you? Wow, what an honor. I watched a movie. What are you doing over here? So I lost Amber, you know, Amber? Yeah, I know her. She's so pretty. Yeah, she is. She is full of fire. Yes, she is. I lost her and I can't find her. What are these? What are these Bratz thing? Oh, I'm getting ready to unbox them. Oh, maybe she's hiding in one of these boxes. Can you please unbox her? Oh, of course. Yeah, sure. So strange. Alright guys, let's unbox these mini Bratz, and we have series 1 and 2, and I am so excited because these are limited edition. Let's see, what do we have inside them? I am so happy. I'm sure Amber is not going to be in here, but if you spot her, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay guys, let's see what we have inside. We have 2 wearing bags, and let's see what's in bag 1. Ooh, that is one girl. Oh my goodness, she's so tiny and so beautiful. And let's see what else we have. We have another one. Wow. And no, guys, these are not the fire girls. So we have Roxy and we have Jade. Wow, they're so tiny and so cute. I'm gonna open this tiny little box and get our doll out. Wow, guys, she's so tiny and so cute. I love her hair and this cute little hat and sneakers. She is absolutely adorable. Let's get going and see what's in our next one. Alright, this is series 2, and let's see, who do we have inside? Let's see if Amber is inside here. Okay. I think we're gonna have 2 more dolls. What else can we get? Maybe they can get some makeup? I don't know. Okay, and let's see, which do we have? Okay, guys. Oh, this is Cleo. Oh, wow, she's so pretty. She has a really long hair. And oh wow, guys, this is from Wintertime collection. She's so pretty. Look at that hat and the boots. And her name is Sasha. Oh, hi, Sasha. These are beautiful collectible tiny little dolls. And let's see, guys, this is another limited edition. Let's see, who do we have inside? Da-da-da, da-da-da. Let's see what we have. Okay. We have bag 1 and 2. And let's see. Oh, who do we have here? Wow, she is gorgeous. And her name is Sasha. Wow, Sasha, you're beautiful. beautiful. Excellent. Let's see what else do we have in this one. I feel like somebody's watching us, guys. Do you know who's watching us? Oh, no, I don't know. I feel like somebody's watching us. Oh, and this is from the winter collection as well. And her name is Jade. Wow, Jade has a beautiful coat and a beautiful hat. So pretty, guys. There's so many tiny little dolls. And let's see our last one. Oh, I hope Amber is inside. I hope she's there because I miss her and I need her. Oh, I hope so too. All right, let's put you back in there and let's see if we get Amber in here. Okay, guys, let's see. Wow. Okay, and there we are. We have our 2 balloon bags. Wow, let's see what do we have in our first bag. Wow, this is a car. Wow, how cute. They definitely need a car. So the name of the car is FM Cruiser. How awesome is this, guys? I love it. And let's see what else do we have in here. Whoa, we have another beautiful girl. And she's from Girls Night Out. And her name is Yasmin. Yasmin. So let's unbox Yasmin and see if she can fit in the fancy car. Wow, guys, she is absolutely beautiful. Look how cute. And I love the fact that they're like very soft and flexible. How adorable is that? Okay, let's unbox this cute little car. Let's see, guys. Wow, so cute. Wow, so adorable. Wow, let's see, guys. Would they fit inside? No, I don't think so. Oh, they don't fit inside, but guess what? The Polly Pocket will fit inside here. Wow, let's unbox all of them. Hey, what are you doing in my room? You're gonna burn my room. I'm not sure. I was looking for Wade. What are you doing over here? Well, this is my house. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was just looking for my friend. Can you not burn my room? Oh, I'm not. I promise. Lux, Mirabel, there's a fire girl in our house. Wait, where is she? I was looking for her. Where is she? Right behind you. Right behind me. I don't see. No, the other way. Oh, Amber, hi. Well, hello. Well, Wade is looking for you. Oh, Amber, where are you, my dear? Oh, Amber. Oh, Amber, my dear, where were you? I looked for you everywhere. Well, I don't know how I got lost here, and I was in a room with lions and monkeys and birds, and they were all trying to eat me. Oh boy, oh, that sounds scary. Yeah, and I burned them, and I didn't mean to do that. Let's get out of here before we get into more trouble. Oh, let's go. Oh yes, that's a good idea. How strange. I guess Amber didn't know that she was in Antonia's room. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm just gonna go and play with these tiny little dolls. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Love you. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe. Bye. I like this car. I think I'm just gonna take it. Maybe I can fit in it. What do you guys think? It can be like a skateboard. Whee! That's so much fun. Whee!